morning everyone. Class 12 subject accountancy. पूरे topic income and expenditure account. Income and expenditure account is a nominal nature. Is a nominal nature. Three types of accounts are earlier discussing. First is personal account. Second is real account. Third is nominal account. So, income and expenditure account is known as nominal account. Okay, and it records the all expenses and incomes during the financial year. And transactions are recorded in this account on the basis of accrual accounting. Transactions are recorded in an income and expenditure account on the basis of accrual accounting. Okay? Yes or no? And accounting period relate to current accounting period, whether paid or not. Accounting period related to current accounting period means जो currently working चल रहा है फाइनेंशियल ईयर अकाउंटिंग ईयर, उसके बेसिस पे इसमें ट्रांजैक्शंस को रिकॉर्ड करते हैं whether paid or not. आपने ट्रांजैक्शंस में भी हो सकता है ट्रांजैक्शंस का पेमेंट किया हो या ना भी किया हो, तो सर्टेन ट्रांजैक्शंस आर रिकॉर्डेड इन अ इनकम एंड एक्सपेंडिचर अकाउंट ऑन द बेसिस ऑफ accrual accounting. In a debit side we are recorded expenditure of current financial year, the current accounting year, and credit side on income of current accounting year. Okay? No opening and closing balance given in this account because it is a nominal nature of account. Clear? But in receipt and payment account, opening balance, closing balance given according to position information, according to data, cash in hand, cash at bank, and two side. First is receipt side and another is payment side. Okay, and receipt and payment account prepare from with the help of cash book. Clear? So we are discussing income and expenditure account. First side is expenditure. First transaction, 2 salaries. Current year की salaries. Okay. Add outstanding at the end. Suppose Ramesh is a worker in ABC Limited. Ramesh is a worker ABC Limited. Okay. He received, Ramesh क्या है worker है, total salary for this year 1,20,000. Okay, fully 1 year का सैलरी है रमेश का 1,20,000. Okay, but in that case company paid the salary only for 10 months, but company paid salary only 10 months. But company paid salary only 10 months. Clear? So 2 month salary outstanding current year means क्या हो गया 2 months की सैलरी आउटस्टैंडिंग हो गई ड्यूरिंग अ करंट ईयर पीरियड. ओके, सो एड आउटस्टैंडिंग एट द एंड. ओके, क्या है आउटस्टैंडिंग एट द एंड मींस करंट ईयर की जो बकाया सैलरी है, आउटस्टैंडिंग सैलरी है, वो हमने ऐड करनी है. लेस आउटस्टैंडिंग एट बिगिनिंग मींस प्रीवियस ईयर की जो बिगिनिंग है. सपोज करंट फाइनेंशियल ईयर इज current year is 18, 19. Clear? And previous year is 17, 18. So previous year की जो एंडिंग की सैलरी हुई आउटस्टैंडिंग, वो करंट ईयर की एट द बिगिनिंग. आउटस्टैंडिंग एट बिगिनिंग कैसे देखिए अगेन, प्रीवियस ईयर 17, 18 और करंट ईयर 18, 19. और करंट ईयर का इनकम एंड एक्सपेंडिचर प्रिपेयर कर रहे हैं. क्लियर? सो डेटा ऑफ प्रीवियस ईयर आउटस्टैंडिंग. क्लियर? जो आउटस्टैंडिंग है 18 के एंड का और 19 के स्टार्टिंग में क्या हो जाएगा, वो बिगिनिंग में चला जाएगा. तो क्या करेंगे हम, आउटस्टैंडिंग एट बिगिनिंग लेस करेंगे. ओके, नेक्स्ट टू रेंट. नेक्स्ट कोई रेंट बिल्डिंग के लिए आपका एक्सपेंडिचर हो गया बिजनेस का. ओके, टू इंश्योरेंस प्रीमियम and less prepaid. Suppose you paid an insurance premium 31st July every year. 31st July every year. Okay, but financial year is April to March. April to March. So April, May, June, July 4 मंथ क्या हो गया, एडवांस प्रीपेड. मीन्स पीरियड आने से पहले उसको एडवांस में हमने पे कर दिया, बट वो उस पीरियड से रिलेटेड नहीं है फिगर. ओके, सो प्रीपेड इंश्योरेंस प्रीमियम इज लेस. नेक्स्ट ऑडिट फी. समटाइम्स कंपनी अपॉइंट अ इंटरनल ऑडिटर oblique as per prescribed norms appoint an external auditor. So that person charge of fees and it is called audit fee. Okay, next to printing and stationery. Different types of expenses in the office work like printing and stationery, postage expenses. Clear? To honorarium. Honorarium is a token amount. For example, sometimes we are appointing according to demand as a guest teacher. We are appointing according to situation. क्या कर रहे हैं? गेस्ट टीचर को अपॉइंट कर रहे हैं. सो in that case, salary paid to that person या remuneration paid to that person is called a honorarium. It is called a honorarium. हमने क्या किया? गेस्ट लेक्चरर को अपॉइंट कर दिया. क्लियर? जो उस पर्सन को पेमेंट कर रहे हैं, that amount is known as honorarium. Okay. Next, telephone expenses. To repair and maintenance, maybe in a plant and machinery, in a building, in a equipment. Okay. To depreciation charge on a fixed assets like plant and machinery, land, building, equipment, furniture. Okay. To loss on sale of fixed assets. During the year, we are sold the fixed assets and analyze that this assets is sale at below the price. मीन्स क्या हो रहा है? आपने उसको सेल कर दिया है, किसमें? लॉस में सेल कर दिया है. तो वो भी क्या हो गया आपका? एक्सपेंडिचर कैटेगरी में जाएगा. बिजनेस एक्सपेंडिचर. टू लॉस ऑन सेल ऑफ फिक्स assets. Next, to sports material used. स्पोर्ट्स एक्टिविटी कंडक्ट होती है ऑर्गेनाइजेशन में डिफरेंट टाइप से. जो मटेरियल हम परचेज करते हैं स्पोर्ट्स एक्टिविटी के लिए, बिजनेस एक्सपेंसेस. सो चार्ज टू डेबिटेड टू इनकम एंड एक्सपेंडिचर अकाउंट. ओके. सो फर्स्ट, सैलरी एंड आउटस्टैंडिंग सैलरी एट द एंड. एग्जाम्पल डिस्कस किया. रमेश वर्कर है. टोटल सैलरी फॉर दिस ईयर 1,20,000. ओके. 10,000 पर मंथ. बट कंपनी पेड सैलरी ओनली 10 months during the year. So 2 months salary outstanding for current year. Current year 2 months सैलरी है जो से कंपनी पेड करेगी. बट उस सैलरी को, that salary are shown in the books of account and outstanding at the end. Okay. Less outstanding at the beginning. Suppose we are preparing income and expenditure account for a 2019 and 2020 for that period. Okay. But at the end of 2019, outstanding salary amount beginning in 2019, 1st April 2019, and outstanding at the end 31st March 2019. So outstanding at beginning less to rent. Next, to insurance premium less prepaid insurance premium. Okay. To fee, audit fee, charges by the auditor, and auditor appointed by organization and prescribed norms. To printing and stationery general expenses, to honorarium paid to salary and remuneration, guest lecturer, again telephone expenses, repair, to depreciation, to loss on sale of fixed assets, again to sports material used during the current accounting period. Okay, and second side is income, subscription paid by the member of the organization, subscription paid by the member of organization as per quarterly, half yearly या annually. Okay, so outstanding at the end, again subscription outstanding at the end means current year का outstanding है, adding at the end means at the end of financial year. Again add advance in the beginning, करंट ईयर का एडवांस आपको रिसीव हो गया तो दैट एड एडवांस इन द बिगिनिंग. फॉर दिस एडजस्टमेंट वी आर डिस्कसिंग इन अ नेक्स्ट क्लास बाय अ प्रैक्टिकल अप्रोच रिगार्डिंग सब्सक्रिप्शन, आउटस्टैंडिंग सैलरी, ऑनरेरियम, लेगेसी, some technical terms discussed by practical example. Less outstanding in the beginning, less advance at the end. Again by entrance of admission fee. Any person or any member join this organization. Okay, so organization charge are fees like entrance fee, admission fee. Journal donation. Under this approach, donor does not classify the specific purpose of donation. Donor does not mention the donation amount for this purpose, so that donation amount is used any kind of activity, but in a specific donation. Suppose for example donor donate a amount for a library setup rupees 10 lakh. Donor donate a amount rupees 10 lakh for a library setup. So this amount is utilized. So this amount is utilized for this purpose. Okay. Again by legacy donation. Under this approach, deceased partner. अंडर दिस अप्रोच क्या हो रहा है, जो डिसीज पार्टनर से हम विरासत में लेगेसी में जो अमाउंट रिसीव कर रहे हैं एज पर डोनेशन रिगार्डिंग जनरल डोनेशन इन एनी काइंड ऑफ एक्टिविटी बट इन स्पेसिफिक डोनेशन यूज फॉर दैट स्पेसिफिक पर्पज. क्लियर? सो लेगेसी डोनेशन, जनरल डोनेशन एंड स्पेसिफिक डोनेशन. अगेन सेल ऑफ old newspaper. It is a general revenue. Okay, so credited to income and expenditure account. Again by rent, means rent received from godown, from building. So in that case, rent account credited in the income and expenditure account for that accounting year. By gain या profit on sale of fixed assets. FA means fixed asset. Okay. And by sundry receipt, different types of resources, like some amount received regarding subscription oblique maybe paid as a normal donation या secret donation. So it include, if expenditure side is excess or income, so that situation create a deficit. Expenditure side excess over income is expenditure side total suppose 1 lakh and income total column 80,000, so 20,000 is a deficit. Okay, again income column total is 1,50,000, income column total is 1,50,000, but expenditure column total amount 1,20,000. So amount of difference 30,000 is a known surplus. Means income over on expenditure here to surplus and by deficit according to situation. So discussing the income and expenditure account. Again expenditure and income. Okay, so note out करिए.